Welcome to Problem Solving Through Programming. And today's topic of discussion is operators. So, operators, what is operator? We have already discussed. Operator is going to perform certain task, right? So, it is a symbol which is going to perform some task like arithmetic task or logical task or conditional operation, any operation. Okay, so operator is a symbol which is going to perform some task. Okay, so today we'll discuss about that. So operators in C, so C supports a rich set of built-in operators. So we have rich set of built-in operators. And it is used to manipulate the constant, that is the data and the variable. So it is manipulating the data and variable. And it is a part of mathematical or logical expression. Mathematical or logical expression. Okay, so what is operator? Operator is a symbol that instructs the compiler to perform some mathematical or logical operations. So we'll see few operators. So the first one, let us discuss about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators performs the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on some numerical values, that is either it may be a constant and a variable. Okay, so it performs, what does it do? Arithmetic operator perform mathematical operation. Mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. like this. Okay, so the operator symbol for addition, if I see plus, it means that, okay, so addition minus subtraction, or we can say this as urinary plus and this is minus, and this is multiplication, and this division, and this, it is modulo division. We say this as modulo division. So it will give the reminder of the operands. Okay, so we'll see one example for this. So we have the preprocessor. So include stdio.h and int main. So if I give int main, I have to return it. If I give void main, so there is no need of return. Okay, so here declaration, so local declaration I'm doing. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 4, and then c. So I'll do some operation between a and b and I'll store it in c. Okay, now I'm doing the statements. C is equal to a plus b, right? So I'm displaying it. Print f a plus b is equal to percentage of d slash n comma c. So what is the meaning of this? So the control statement, a plus b is equal to percentage of, so a is 9 and b is 4, so the data type is integer. So that is why I have given the format specifier as percentage d, and new line and what it is printing the C value. So A plus B value it will print here, right? And next I do C is equal to A minus B. Same way in printf, A minus B is equal to percentage of D. So new line, comma C. Same way I can do it for division, modulus and all those things, right? And after doing I have to return because I have used here main, int main, then close the bracket. Okay, so next operator is assignment operator. So assignment operator is used for assigning values to a variable, right? So most commonly used symbol for this is equal to. Okay, so here what we are going to do, it is a operator for used for assigning values, right? To whom? To a variable. So the most common symbol used is equal to. Most commonly used is equal to. Okay, so like A example is A equal to B, and we can also use like plus equal to. A plus equal to B means A equal to A plus B. Okay, minus equal to means A minus, the expression will be like this, A minus equal to B. It means that A is equal to A minus B. And if I say multiplication equal to A star equal to B means A is equal to A star B. Division equal to means A equal to A divided by. Modulo equal to, if I use modulo equal to, the example is A percentage equal to B, A equal to A modulo B. Okay, so these are the assignment operators. Right. And next is the increment and decrement operator. So what is that increment operator and what is that decrement operator? So increment operator, it increases the value by 1, and whereas the decrement operator decreases the value by 1. So these two operators are the unary operator, meaning it operates only on one single operand. Okay, it operates only on one single operand, right? So plus means it is an increment operator. So this increases the value by 1. Minus means it is a decrement operator, so it decreases the value by 1. Okay, so these two operator, it is called as unary operator. Okay, because it operates only on a single operand. Okay, so we'll see one example for this. So preprocessor we have to write, then int main open bracket global declaration, local declaration I am doing, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, d is equal to 40. So end with the semicolon. Next, print f a plus plus equal to percentage of d new line comma a plus plus. Print f percentage of d slash n comma a. Next is print f minus minus b equal to percentage of d slash n comma b minus minus. So then I'll print that. Print f percentage of d slash n comma b. Next, print f plus plus c equal to percentage of d slash n close that comma plus plus c. I have to print f semicolon percentage of d slash n comma c. Next I'll do print f minus minus d right equal to percentage of d slash n minus minus d. Print f percentage of d slash n comma d, then return to 0. Close the brace. Now we'll see what is happening here. So I said you plus plus means it is incrementing by 1, minus minus means it is decrementing by 1, right? So in the first statement, if you see, right, in this, so what it is doing, a plus plus equal to, so we have first one is it is going to print this a plus plus. What is the meaning of a plus plus means, first it will assign, okay, it will assign the value first and then only increment, okay. So for this it will assign the value first and then only increment. So what is a? A is equal to 10. So it will, for a it will assign 10 and then only it will increment, okay. So while you are printing, it will only print what is assigned. So what is assigned? It is assigned only 10. First is a plus plus means it will assign, then it will increment, okay. So whatever value it is assigned, it is going to print. So that is what a plus plus, right? And minus minus. Minus minus means, again, what is that meaning? Yeah, sorry. Minus minus means it is going to decrement by 1, right? So here b minus minus, what is the meaning? B minus minus means first it will assign the value, then increment. So what is b? B is 20. So it will assign b as 20 and then only it is decrementing. Okay, so what value it will be displaying at b? So it will display 20. Got it? Similarly, here you see, in this case, okay, first it will increment and then assign. So what is C? C is 30. It will increment to 31 and then only it will assign to C. Okay. So while you print it, what is C is 31. Similarly here, okay, minus minus, first it will decrement and then assign. So what is D? D is 40. So it will decrement first 39 and then it will assign to D. So D value is 39. Here what happens? Plus plus means first it will assign and then only increment. So assign, it is assigned to A first, right? So it is going to print A is equal to 10. Similarly here it will assign and then only decrement. So it is assigned to B first. Okay. So while you are displaying A, it is going to be 10. For A it is 10. For B it is 20. Okay. And for C it is 31. And for D it is 39. Understood this? So if you put plus plus after the operand means it is postfix. If you put in before means it is prefix. Understood? So A plus plus means first it will assign the value and then it will increment. Plus plus A means first it will increment and then only it will assign to the variable. Okay. Next we'll see a relational operator. So relation operator, it will check the relation between two operands. If the relation is true means then it will return 1. If the relation is false means then return 0. Okay. So what does it do? It checks the relation between two operands. Relation between two operands. So if the relation is true means it will return 1. If it is false means it will return 0. Okay, some of the example operators is equal to, that is if phi equal to 3, then what will happen? This condition is false, so it will return 0. So greater than, so phi greater than 3 means true, so it is 1. Less than phi less than 3, the statement is false, so it will return 0. Not equal to, so 5 not equal to 3, the statement is true, so it will return 1. Same is greater than or equal to, 5 is greater than or equal to 3, right? So what is that? It is greater than 3, right? So it will return 1. Less than or equal to 5 less than or equal to 3, right? So it is 5 is not less than 3, right? So it is 0. Okay. So this is relation operator. And next is logical operator. So what is logical operator? So logical operator, an expression contains logical operator that returns either 0 or 1 depending upon whether the expression results are true or false. Okay, so we have similar to the relation only, the operators are different. So this is one operator, this is one operator, this is one operator. So this is logical and. Logical and. This is logical or, and this is logical, consider this logical not. And this one is logical and it is true only if all the operands are true. True only if all operands are true. This one, it is true only if either one of the operand is true. either one of operand is true. Logical NOT means true only if the operand is 0. True only if operand is 0. We will see one example for this. Okay, here for this one, if C is equal to 5 and D is equal to 2, then the expression C equal to 5 and D greater than 5 right, C equal to 5 and D greater than 5. So this is the okay. So what is this? C equal to 5, true. D greater than 5, is it true? No. So for logical AND, all the operands should be true, right? All the operands should be true. But here this is true, this is false. So what it will display? It will express 0. It will be equal to 0 now. Same way for this condition, for this one. If C is equal to 5, D is equal to 2, so the expression is like C equal to 5 or D greater than 5. So what will happen here? C is equal to 5 is true, D is greater than 5, it is false. Whereas for logical OR, it is true only if either one of the operand is true. Any one of the operand is true means then we will have the result as 1. So here the result is going to be 1. It is equal to 1. Okay. Same way for this logical NOT. So if C is equal to 5, so then the expression is like not C equal to 5. So C is not equal to 5, yeah? No, right? So this answer will be equal to 0. Okay. So this is logical operator. And next is bitwise operator. So bitwise operator means during the computation, mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So they will be converted into bit levels, which makes the process faster and it also saves the power. Okay, so here it will those mathematical operation will be converted into bit level. Okay, so it will perform bit level operations. So what are all the operators? So this is called as bitwise AND, this is called as bitwise OR, this is called as bitwise exclusive OR, this is called as bitwise complement. So this is shift left, shift right. Okay. Okay, so for bitwise AND, the output of a bitwise AND will be 1 if the corresponding bits of two operands is 1. If both the operand is 1 means then the output will be 1. Okay, so if either of the bit is 0 means then the result will be 0, right? So that is bitwise operator. So for example, for bitwise operator, so int a is equal to, for example, int a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 25. Print the output. Okay, print f output equal to percentage d a ampersand b. Means what it will do, a ampersand b, it will convert into bits. Okay, so this 12 will be converted into bit binary form and 25 will be converted into binary form. So for 12 the binary form is like 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. For 25 it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so now what it will do, so and means both the operand should be 1, right? So here 0 1, so it is 0 0 0 0. Okay, 1 0, again 0 1 1, both are 1, so output is 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is for your result. So what is the decimal value for this? Decimal value for this is 2 power 3, so it is 8. So the for answer for this, if you print means answer for this a ampersand b, a bitwise operator b, and answer will be 8. Okay, same way bitwise or means any one, if it is 1 then the output will be 1. That is for and. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 will be 1. Okay, so for or 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, for if the same number, if you're doing or, what will happen? So for 12 it is 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, right? So for 25 it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So if you're doing OR operation, bitwise OR operation for this, so 0 1 is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this, if you convert into decimal, it is 29. Okay. So you have to use the truth table for exclusive or bit exclusive OR means you have to use exclusive OR. So what is that for exclusive OR? It is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Right? So likewise you have to use it. Okay, and your shift operator, right shift operator means it will shift all the bits towards the right, right? By certain number of specified bits, which is denoted by that greater than. Same way left shift means the left shift operator shifts all the bits towards the left by certain number of specified bits, right? So what are all the other operators? Comma operators. So comma operators, what is the use of this comma operators? Comma operators are used to link the related expression together, like int a comma b comma c is equal to 5 comma d. So that is going to link the expressions together. And also we have like size of operators. Size of operator, it will tell what is the size of that suppose integer, float, what is the size of the integer, what is the size of that float, it will tell that. So that is your size of operators. Okay, so by this we complete your operators. Okay, and also your first unit is over. So next class we will see second unit, that is your conditional statements.